The NNT trading checklist that I use every day. Let's go over it in this video. And then after I go over it, we're going to go into a back test. Now I'm going to look for a setup during that back test. So let's get into it right now. Right now we're looking at a bearish play. So I drew a bearish drawing. Check out the link in the description so you can get access to my live streams and many other goodies. So the first thing we look for is a sweep to happen. So the swing low comes and breaks structure, causing a sweep to happen. See right here, a swing low came up, broke structure, it broke all these swing highs right here. Then it creates a new swing high. As you can see right here, a new swing high got created. So you want to get that new swing high and that previous swing low, and you want to create a zone. So you can see in this drawing, a zone gets created with that new swing high and the previous swing low. Then you want to tap on the zone. As you can see here, price came and tapped the zone. They want price to break structure once again. It broke structure right here. An easy way to know this is the furthest swing. So the low right here got broken, the furthest one. Then after all these requirements are met, we would plan to enter at 50% with our take profit right here and our stop loss 1 tick above. So price would come in, fill 50% and hit our take profit. As you can see, price did everything we're looking at just right here. Came in, respected the zone before entering 50%, and then hit the take profit. This is my strategy NNT. Let's do a back test and go over the strategy. I'm pretty bearish right now. As you can see on the top right, we are in a 15-minute zone that I created. If you want to see the zone, I can show you real fast. Swing low right here, swing high up here. So let's see if we find anything. Right now, things just look bearish. I'm not bullish just yet, but we are showing a lot of bullish signs. I'm still pretty bearish. The 15-minute zone that I marked out is already mitigated, meaning that's already been filled, so it might not hold. But these high time frame zones, sometimes we'll bounce around them before breaking them. But we're just gonna sit around and see what happens. I see a play that I'm interested in taking. If it does fill out. Oh no, I think it already filled out. Never mind. Yeah, never mind. You know, technically this zone hasn't filled out yet. I'm gonna take this play. That's my plan. So why am I taking this play? We just broke a bearish zone. We didn't get a 1-minute candle close above it, so we're not bullish just yet. But for the sake of the video, I'll be risky and I'll take the play. If it has all the requirements, a small sweep of some accumulation, swing high. This is the opposite of the play I just showed you. So the bullish play, tap on the zone, broke structure, and then coming to fill. Let's see here. Let's see if we get filled. Ooh, we just failed 50% and take profit got hit. So I can show you here. So TP did hit. Let's see if it just like fills out just for the sake. There it goes. Okay, so look. I had met all requirements. I'll do a quick drawing for you so you can see a bullish play. Sweep happen, swing high, swing low, swing high. I create the zone. Zone gets created. Tap on the zone, broke structure. And look, it came back and filled 50%, hit take profit. Filled 50%, hit take profit. So if I was trading this during my live stream, I would not have taken this because I would want a 1-minute body close over this 15-minute zone that we were in, because I'm still bearish. And if we just cut to the future in a bit, let's just speed it up real fast. Let's see if we continued bullish or not. And yep, we continued bullish. Pretty cool. I just got in earlier without that 1-minute confirmation. And there's another play right here too, you can see it. You see any other plays? No. But yeah, that wraps it up. Straight NNT play, nothing special, nothing new. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe. If you got any questions on the strategy, please ask. But get into the Discord. The link is in the description. Come talk to me. I'd love to help you become profitable and master a mechanical strategy. God bless. Goodbye.